so limber. Might do good for a big fella. There is a lot of bolts. Hold this on. Which is good. This will be for sale eventually. Only after I get all the other parts I need. I need a coffee. A sip of mine. Don't mind my wild hair. Tired and grumpy. I ain't tired. Sleeping's for fools. I ain't grumpy. Who are you looking at? So, oh yeah, looks like we got a little bit of dirt in here. Oh yeah. Let me say something like rears its ugly head. Well, a lot of the car, I keep saying, is really nice shape, and it is, but some of these hidden spots, not so good. This is a super easy piece to make though. I mean, if it's cheap enough too, might as well maybe just buy the correct panel. Might be cheaper than my labor making it. So, all right. Well, I'm going to flip the process here and take the other fender off. I assure you it's probably going to be the same video, but it won't drag you through it. I'll check back in a bit. Alright, got both fenders off. I got this wheel well off. I'm gonna get that one off, and then guess the core support, and then after that we could start getting a little bit of wire wheel action on here. Get this frame rail all cleaned up, and then power wash stuff. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. Appreciate you stopping in, and hopefully you like the content, and you'll like, share, and subscribe, and leave some comments. We like that. We read everything and respond to everybody. So if you have any questions about anything. With that said, for this car, a lot of the videos you see of ours, which you should check out, we do automotive restoration. You know, I did a old race boat and stuff like that. Now this car is not getting restored. It is getting running. And I pretty much just want to get this running as a 70s street machine. And I am going to replace the stuff that you need, you know, for safety. You know, go through the whole suspension and brakes. Bushings, you know, on the body, you know, looking at it right now as we're speaking. Stuff like that. At this point, I do not have any plans on doing all the body work on this car and painting it. Kind of just going to run it with its patina. There are some rust spots on the car here and there. I am going to properly fix those and then probably do a little patina paint job over those spots just to cover things up. I am putting a pretty cool power plant in this with a 6-speed. We'll get into that later. So stay tuned. This is going to be a fun car. Planning on driving it a bunch too. Might be a turbo involved. Might be fun. So, alright. I'm going to get the rest of this off. And then the next scene you're probably going to see is us, me, and you, I guess. Power washing. So, alright. When I get to it, we'll check back in 3, 2, 1. Alright, we're back. Prior to going to a power washer, really need to chip off some of the, chip off the old block here. This way I can kind of not have to rely on the power washer as much. Let's see what else we got down here. I'm going to be probably replacing all this suspension here because it's pretty clapped out, but I'd like to get this somewhat clean for when I disassemble it. It's actually cheaper to buy the tubular control arms, even though they're the China ones, than do all the servicing of the stuff. At least that's what I tell myself. So, let's see here. Get this off. This bulkhead's seen better days, huh? Think we could use that? Probably not. Am I worried? Not worried. Am I scared? We ain't scared. Oh. Sorry about my hair. I must look like an absolute train wreck. It's the morning. As said earlier. I don't give a damn in the morning. I'll fix myself up before I go out. Whoa. Oh my god, we got a crazy old man coming. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Well, you have more room to go around this backside here.
Yes, I did.
Go and get.
But no room up front.
The other, no. Well, it's alright. We'll be around the back in a minute.
Okay, you're tearing it apart, huh?
Yes, sir. This guy's Captain Obvious. If you're new to the channel, that's Cameraman 2. get some of this loose stuff off here, and then probably get a little break from this a little bit. Ooh, look at all that. Look at that. All right, we're gonna take a break from this for a minute. We'll be right back.